Hello everyone. So I'm going to be taking us on a short tutorial on how to use the Canva application. So Canva is a designing app. I'll just this is the app. So when you want to download it, so that you download the real one, that's if you don't already have the app on your phone. Now let's open the app. So Canva is a designing app, and if you are not yet using Canva as a small business owner, I think you really need to consider it. You need to start using Canva. So Canva has a lot of templates. So it saves you of the stress of thinking about templates. Do you understand? Thinking about concepts for designs. That's if you don't have any ideas coming to your head, just simply pick one template and move on. Do you understand? Like they have, can you see here, over 60,000 templates. Like that's wow. So you can see these are a lot of things that you can do, a lot of things that you can do. So I'm just going to pick one template and design. So designing on Canva is quite easy. It's easy and it's not that hard. Let me not scare you guys. So you click on, when you want to design, you see this see all. If you want to do an Instagram post, for example, you click on it, or just pick any of all these templates that you can see. Do you understand? When you scroll like this, you will see more templates, but when you click on see all, you can see different templates that you can choose. And if you want to start your own design from scratch, just simply use the blank one. Do you understand? So let's start with the templates first and foremost. So basically, when you want to use a template, for example, let me pick one template. Picking templates is okay. Let's just say I want to use this one. Can you see these are, as in, templates are so much, so much, so much, so much. So edit, you click on edit, then the picture loads. Then when it loads, what you simply do, you start clicking on everything on the picture, on the image, to edit to your own taste. So I want to change the image. For example, I can use the image here. Canva has a lot of images on their library. You can see here, you can use image from the library, or you can pick pictures from your own gallery, or even you can use color. Do you understand? So let's say I want to use image from Canva. So I'll just pick this one, for example. Can you see the image has changed? It's as simple as that. If you also want to use your own personal picture, it is as simple as that. If you want to use color, can you see the color has changed? Because I chose that I want to use color. But let's use image. So let's say I use this one. Think it's Father's Day, right? Yesterday was Father's Day. So I'll just say happy Father's Day, right? So that's, so let's say I still want to add more text. Do you understand? I simply click on this plus sign. I click on text. There are text templates as well that you can choose, but I always like to add text of my own. You click on that, then enter your text. Okay, happy Father's Day, we see your efforts, keep being amazing. So I bring it down here. If I want to stretch it, I simply do like this, and then I arrange. Can you see this middle line that is pink? It's to guide you so that you know the middle line. Then I can shift this up so that there's more space, it looks more aligned. We see your efforts, keep being amazing. Now I can decide to change the color of this keep being amazing. It's really, I can decide to use it pink, or maybe black, or red, or blue. Do you understand? But I think black, I think this is nice, right? So basically that is it. So this color here, I can say, okay, I don't want this color, I can change it. Do you understand? I can change the color. Oh, no, 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 no. I want this to be white. I want to change this particular color. I can change this to say, can you see? I can as well change this, like it's as simple as ABC. If you want to add something to your design, if you want to add something extra, you see this plus sign, just click on it. You can add anything, anything. Can you see all the list of things that you can add? You can add anything. So basically, this is how you design with Canva. It is as simple as this. Then when you are done, you see this arrow here, you click on it to save your picture. So you can save as image or save as any other thing. So let's save this as image. And that's it. You can share immediately, but notwithstanding, it is already on your gallery. So that is it. And if you want to change the template, you can equally change the template. Just click on this plus sign. That plus sign is very, very important. You see templates, all your templates, in case maybe you pick the templates and you are not even filling the template anymore. Can you see all the many templates that are here for you that you can choose? So there are a lot of things that you can click on the plus sign and add stickers. Can you see? Like, just explore the app. Yeah guys, that's it. That's the end. Thank you for watching.